Somebody tell me why. Somebody tell me why. As we go day by day in our lives, I've been north, I've been south, I've been east, and I've been west. All around this world, all around this world. And I can't seem to find my way back to you. And I'm fighting so hard, dying inside, because I can't find what's been missing the whole time. Yeah, like a rose, yes, like a rose, those petals fall down. And one day, another will take your place. So I go out on my daily mission, looking for someone, just something to witness. Because I love the way these pictures are painted on display. The colors, I cannot do anything else but accept it, even the rejected. Because every single soul has something to say. Every single person could teach you a thing if you just open up your eyes, listen with your ears. Everything around you's been speaking to you for years, and you haven't woke up yet. You haven't woke up yet. And we're shaking you, we're trying to let you know that you are the fucking best. You are the fucking best. Hey, I don't know, no, I don't know, no. I'm just trying to make it out. I'm just trying to make it out. A better way, a better day, does it exist? A better way, a better day, does it exist? I need to know now. Is there a way out? Is there really any way out?